In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Gohighlevel by updating your DNS settings. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Gohighlevel account. Once you're inside the account, locate and copy the funnel setup IP address you've been given. You'll want to copy it carefully so there are no extra spaces or missing numbers. This IP address is what allows your root domain to point to your Gohighlevel funnel correctly. So accuracy matters here. After that, open a new browser tab and go to your Wix account. Keeping Gohighlevel open in the first tab can make this process much easier, since you may need to switch back briefly to confirm the IP address. Once you're logged into Wix, navigate to the area where your domain settings are managed. Look for your domain section, and from there, open the settings for the domain you want to connect. Next, go to the Manage DNS Records page. This is where you control how your domain connects to external platforms and services. DNS settings can look a little technical at first, but for this process, you only need to focus on one specific record type. Create a new A record. In the host or name field, enter the @ symbol, which represents the root version of your domain. This means the main domain without any subdomain in front of it. In the value or points to field, paste the Gohighlevel IP address you copied earlier. Before saving, take a moment to double check that the host is set to the @ symbol and that the IP address is entered exactly as provided. Even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Once everything looks correct, save the record. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes usually don't take effect instantly. In some cases, the update may begin working within a few minutes, but it can also take longer depending on propagation. So if the domain doesn't connect right away, that's completely normal. That's all you need to do to point your Wix root domain to Gohighlevel using an A record. As a quick final tip, avoid creating duplicate A records for the same host unless you specifically know they're needed, because that can lead to conflicts. If you follow these steps carefully, your domain should be on its way to connecting properly.